On today's episode of the South Texas Skillet, I'm going to show you how to make an easy one-pan chicken dinner. What's great about this recipe is you can customize it to the vegetables that you have on hand and the seasonings that you like. All right, let's get started. So you want to start off with some potatoes. I'm going to dice them up. These have been washed, scrubbed clean of dirt, and I'm going to leave the peels on. You can use any potatoes that you want to. I'm a big fan of using what we have on hand, so we're using russet potatoes. As you're dicing them, go ahead and put them in your 9x13 pan. All right, next you want to get an onion and do a rough chop. Next, you're going to mince up some garlic. I have about 6 cloves here. All right, add this to your pan. All right, I want you to mix this up a little bit. All right, so to this we're going to add some olive oil. Well, it's probably about a tablespoon or 2. You want to make sure you salt your potatoes enough. If you don't salt them enough, they won't taste as good. Add some pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. Some onion powder. A little bit of paprika. And some cayenne pepper. All right, mix this well now. Okay, now we're going to work on our green beans. So these have already been washed and the stems have been cut off. So I'm just going to go through them and take the bigger ones and cut them in half. As I do that, I'm going to add it on top of the potatoes. Okay, give this another good stir. Okay, I think we're going to need to split this between 2 different pans. I'm going to get my smaller one and put some of the mixture in there. So you're going to take some rosemary. This is fresh rosemary. I'm just going to place it down in here. I'm not going to take the leaves off at all. I'm just going to leave it as a whole sprig. And then some thyme. All right. And then to that, you're going to take your chicken and you're going to season it. I have the same seasonings that I used on the potatoes, except I have it all mixed together. I'm going to put my chicken all around the vegetables. And I want to do this where it's skin side up. And then I'm going to take my seasoning and sprinkle it over the top. I'm also going to get the underside of the chicken. All right, so I'm going to take a lemon. I'm going to cut it in half and just squeeze the juices over the top of the chicken. Now you're going to cover this with foil and put it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for about 45 minutes or until the chicken is done. When the chicken cooks, it's going to release all of its juices onto the vegetables and they're going to be so delicious. All right, so I took the foil off of this, kind of let it brown up a little bit more on the top. I'm going to take out our chicken and some of our vegetables. That's good. So the green beans have nice flavor. The potatoes are nicely cooked. They're tender. They're seasoned very well. The chicken is very juicy. That is so good. It's nice and fresh. The lemon really helps bring out some of that brightness. The vegetables are cooked very well. The chicken is cooked through. It's not overdone. And this is a really good meal that you can make in one pan. I did use two just because we had so much. But I think it's something that your family would enjoy. Please let me know if you try this meal and like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.